KICKASSETS. Cha-ching! Alright, today I have a special guest. Mike come to see my house here. Welcome, Mike, to Japan and your first property viewing. Alright. じゃあ、お邪魔します。はい。
なんかこんな感じです。
はい。
どうぞ。
Oh. Oh. Living room still has all its stuff in it. It's ready to go. Old carpet. Okay, so the walls need to be re-wallpapered. Interesting. Oh, it's got a small little kitchen. It's got a fridge already inside it. Kitchen's a little bit old, but not falling apart. Should replace it though. Yeah, got the old stuff here. The hot water tank's already attached to it. Gas. It's not a system kitchen. One, you can actually attach this to the thing. It's not a system kitchen technically. System kitchens have them built in already. Cabinets are a little bit dirty, but not falling apart. I mean, it's all, you know, close, but no cigar. Oh, looks like they're cleaning here. We got a lot of stuff here. Antiques. Free TV. Yeah. Over here we have a garden. Huh, interesting. Small little patch of land with the house. So going there. Little trees. Okay. Next we have the... Oh, the 洗面台はこっちだね。ちょっと変な場所ですね。
ちょっとちっちゃいですね。
はい。So living the first time I see a vanity in the living room like this. So 近いですね。
近いです。
はい。We have a bathroom here. It's still usable as is. Looks similar to my man cave one. Slightly better. It's in decent shape. There's some cracks and stuff, but just needs a clean job. Obviously, you'd like to replace it, but it costs over $1 million to do that. So I think this is a 12 by 16. 12 かける16ですね、これ。
はい、そうです。
Alright. So it's a smaller size, but not impossible. Cute little cozy room over here. With sand walls in it. Let me check. Oh, I can't tell. Yeah, it's a really thin one. The ceiling's in decent shape, but a little bit worn. No stains from water leaks. Just maybe cigarettes. I don't know. Tough call. More furniture in here. Oh, we got an air conditioner from like the 1920s. Look at that thing. That's never seen a remote that old before. It's so
This
cool.
is from the heat.
Yeah.
I think so. Because the south facing, probably.
Yeah, but like the coloring up here.
Yeah, that's why it does that. They might have had smokers at one point.
Yeah. National. I wonder how old this model is. So old it doesn't even have anything written on it. I'm guessing what, 90s? I don't know, this remote. It looks like it was cool at one point. So you got a ladder outside here. Just in case. Got a lot of cool little furnitures and stuff like that. Oh, it's locked. Can't check inside. Sorry, boys. Yeah, it's all taped together. So I don't want to disturb it. You can see the outlets need to be replaced. They're the originals. この家はいつだっけ ?70 年代ですか
そうです。
70s house.
70。
Alright, it's a 70s house. It's got the old lighting. You can easily replace that. What do you think, sir? You want to buy it? Look at that. I like the garden here. Little cute little garden. Obviously needs to be weeded and stuff, but it's a little space and it's private space. Room for one tree or... Yeah.
They re-sided over something else. It's in a decent shape. It's bulging a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, the siding. Yeah, you're right. The siding's actually been replaced, so...
They might have gone for something else.
Yeah, it's coming off a little bit, so it looks like it's been painted maybe 10 years ago. I don't know. Siding looks like maybe 20 years, you think?
Just the bathroom that needs to be painted.
Yeah. And the upstairs up there is pretty decent condition. That's very important. So it looks like that's been done because that would be falling apart if not so. So that's been done. So it means the roof has probably been done. 屋根はなんか書いてあるんですか屋根。いつか。
ですね。
そのままずっと
そのままですね。
本当でも一回リフォームして外はしてね。
上張りしてますね。
Old washing machine on the outside. So the washing machine is outside in this house. That's a negative there. Nobody wants to come out in the winter. They do their clothes. It'll freeze. Okay. All right. So it's cool. I mean, it's a little cozy little house.
Floors are in good shape.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Good point. And this floor out here is actually pretty nice. Actually, it's beautiful. It's in great shape. This looks like it's been done. Oh, there's a toilet over here. That's where it is. Okay. It's a typical toilet. It's not a Japanese toilet, thank God, but it can be upgraded to a better one. Looks like it hasn't been cleaned in 40 years, but don't like this wood so much, but it is what it is.
Well, you can see a lot of areas where that pictures.
Yeah, unfortunately, you cover this up with wallpaper and it's going to come through the little gaps here, and you can't putty that. It's just too much work, so it is what it is. All right. He said it's a steep staircase. Be careful. The stairs are in good shape. Hi. It's in great shape. It's got a handle on the staircase here. So it's got a cozy little room out here. Oh, okay. Look at that. It's got a balcony. That's kind of a rare. Instead of having another room, it's got a balcony.
So is this like a 3-bedroom now, I guess?
Yeah, I guess 3DK. Let's see how solid this is up here. Yeah, it's holding me. I mean, I'm coming in. I like the neighborhood. It had a nice little, not park, but like somebody had a big nature and thing in their backyard. Hey, there's a cat. Meow meow. How you doing?
They replaced the soffits and some of the fascias have been replaced, some haven't.
Say that again. Hey, buddy. They replaced what?
The underside, the soffit, the ceiling of the
Yeah.
that's been replaced.
Yeah.
So you see some of the fascia has been replaced up high, but some of these ones are peeling down.
Yeah, you can see the difference. That's the original wood and that's the new stuff. Well, it's good because animals can get through there.
Well, the new one is metal, I think.
Yeah.
Up top one.
This is really cool. I've never seen like a little thing on a small house like this.
That's the original. That's the aircon you see downstairs. Oh my God! Look at the age of that.
Oh no, it's the aircon in the other room here.
Yeah,
It's really old.
probably 80s.
Yeah. Nice little view. You can see Udoa Station down there. So we're about a 30-minute walk to Udoa Station. And there's not very many properties in this price range around Udoa. It's actually pretty good. Damn. I like it. I like this backyard too. It's really opened up to a nice space. That's like my man cave, and this is the dude living next door looking at my man cave saying, I wish I had that. It's pretty neat.
It's a nice house.
Hmm?
Nice house across.
Yeah, lots of space.
And there's a parking lot over there for now. Might be a house in the future.
That's true. All right, let's check the other room. Oh, fuck. Watch your heads, everybody. It's the first time I ever bumped my head on the metal part here. I've been got the Sunakabe. Is this Sunakabe or Kabigami? Is this
Been rained down.
okay? Oh, good call. It's really nice.
That was what it looks like underneath.
Huh?
That's what's underneath. That's what's underneath this.
Oh, okay.
So they just went over top.
Huh. Interesting. So here's the one final room. The time that's in decent shape actually. It's a little bit sunned out, but still going. Okay, that's been stained up there. Okay, we still got our old futons. Oh, we got the old box. I have one of these at my house. Same thing. In my man cave. That's cool.
Ceiling's in better shape. Just one wire.
Yeah. This is warped for a reason. I've never seen a ceiling like this before. Like it's coming down. これわざとですか? この天井。
これわざとデザインですかね。
Okay. So じゃあ下がってるわけじゃないってことですね。Yeah. Usually it's flat, but it's first time. Is it kind of weak?
I don't know if it's not me or just it's not just me. Doesn't count.
It's slightly, but
It's slippers too, right?
sometimes you want to check with your bare feet. Yeah, it's a little bit weak, but it could be the tatami, and it could be the wood, but yeah.
Sometimes they hide the stuff underneath.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's easy to fix anyways, but
And then this is the door. You saw that? This is the door to the hallway.
yeah. Oh, that's right. It's blocked off. That's a good point. Wow, we have an really old closet here. Just like it came with the house originally, and it's going to go with the house in the end. That's massively old. So the walls are in great shape.
Do you have to get rid of the furniture? Or is it,
That's negotiable. That's how you. It's actually good to have it because you can negotiate the price down lower, saying you'll take care of it. Because it costs a lot of money to get rid of the stuff. So, air conditioner, same ones downstairs. I guess they got them both installed at the same time and kept them forever.
yeah, definitely a smoker then, because the downstairs one is really yellow.
Yeah. There's the view from the window. It's got good sunlight if they're open. Huh. Not bad.
There's the path for it.
Yeah, the other same ones downstairs. Oh. Look at that. Didn't even notice that. Holy crap, and a whole entire Sony sound system. That's worth it right there. Look at the size of those speakers. 前に住んでる人が音楽好きだったかな。
だと思います。
これもらいたいな。
あ、いいんじゃないですか。相談で。
いいっすよ
全部やんなければ処分しちゃうんで。
はい。
Good one, storage.
はい。
と思いますね。
はい、布団. Yeah, lots of room for storage. Look at the old system down here. Looks like something my mom would have. Yes, 処分するのに多分100万円ぐらいかかるんじゃない？
かかりますね。
かかる。
もらってくれる人がいると嬉しいと思います。
いや、
そのまま。
それ交渉に入るんです
いいですね。交渉します。基本は全部捨てちゃいま
The
す。
ceilings
はい。
are the original, but really good shape.
Yeah, no, it was in great shape. I don't know if it's original on me. You think so?
It's just never been touched.
Wow.
Yeah. Because look at the light fixture. Yeah, it's all original.
Wow. Got a semi view from here of my bike. Hey, bike. It's a decent end of a road here. So, would you buy this house? Would Mike buy this house? Leave a comment.
Yeah, it's yeah, ceilings.
危ないです。
危ないですね。
危ないです。頭当たっちゃいます。
Just kidding. So, I don't know. Yeah. It's cozy is the word I can give. It's not perfect. It's not a super gem. It's not a gem. It's probably decent. It's good. It's not a bad property. I'll give you that for sure. So, yeah.
They put wood behind the comments. That's a weird thing. Or is that because of the holes now? Well, so you can see in the bathroom.
Yeah. Some light in there. It's kind of similar to my house I showed you last night with the sliding door because we made that custom. Because it was usually a door open. This is how you save space because no door is going to fit here. So.
These are in good shape.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. It's in very good shape.
Lift up the carpet. See what it looks like.
It's
This one.
it's just the same as this.
Well, you don't want to see it's discolored because of the.
No, so yeah, it's pretty decent.
Sometimes they hide stuff.
Yeah.
Or sometimes it's two different colors.
おじさん住んでるんですか？
あ、
おじさんだった？
あ、そうです。
やっぱりね
亡くなってしまって、
はい
相続を受けて、
子供が売ってるんですか？
親戚です。
あ、親
子供い
戚。
なくて親戚が。
なるほど。
Yeah.
It's sold by.
The new air cons. You're gonna have to paint the kitchen and living room.
Yeah. Oh, there's a newer aircon in here. I didn't even notice this one. This one's 2009.
Yeah, but it's yellow too. So
It's the newest one.
They smoke downstairs now.
It's the newest one. So he's saying that he died as an old man. I guessed right, he was a man, and the family's just getting rid of it. So the positives is that it's just cozy little house. The negatives is the location of the washing machine, and the fact that that's
Are you
old. That's old.
Washer inside.
Yeah, you'd have it there though. I mean, you'd have to attach it to something else, and there's no space for it. So you could possibly change.
You could probably go in the kitchen.
Yeah, you can put it in the kitchen there, or you can.
Turn that, get rid of that and put it into,
yeah.
because you already got the plumbing.
Yeah. So that's the option. I mean, you don't really need that.
Stackable. Oh no, it's in Japan. It's one machine does both. Right?
Yeah. It's quite small though.
Well, you could. Yeah, you don't really want
Hey,
it
sexy.
this small. So
How you doing? Yeah.
you would have to. Yeah, your machine's a bit bigger.
Yeah.
Do they have smaller washing machines?
They do. Just sucks that you have to do that. So then you got this here. Yeah, we're looking at renovations here. Yeah, interesting. Wish you could buy them all, huh? We gotta make one decision. Oh, you knew that. Cool. And that's a wrap.
It's in good shape, whatever.
Yeah. Nice one, eh? Oh, showerするためにですね。So when people take a shower, they can block it off in case people in the living
脱
room.
いで多分ここで
Ah,
Oh, because there's
簡易
no,
的な洗面所
there's no door.
yeah. And what's this?
Air conditioning.
Oh, it's after that one. Okay, so this is more up to date. Even though it's 2000. Oh, I guess 2009 is not that. One more thing. It's still a lot. Good year. Man, I'm getting old. When you think 2009 is old, we're getting old. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you like this house. Not bad. Not bad at all. Little cute things here.
Oh, and the electrical here.
Oh, thanks for pointing that out. What's this? Little cute little things in here. Electrical. Oh, there. Oh, the electrical. Okay.
30 amp. So it's
Okay, it's the weakest of the weak. All right, so yeah, I don't know. They obviously weren't running 3 air cons. Okay. A lot of goodies in this house. Another treasure hunt of things, but more of actual cabinets and stuff. Okay. That's all she wrote. See ya. All right. Just sitting on the sofa here, relaxing, checking out the information. 9.8 million. 面白いですね。いろいろあるんですよね。難しいよね。